This is the before footage, and this video is going to focus on the garden to the right. And as you can see, it's looking pretty rough, so it's definitely time for a makeover. And this is what I came up with. And I think this looks a lot better. I really love the way the pine needles makes the rocks pop out. It's so much brighter here now, and it just so much more open. I really like it. My favorite thing about this new garden is that it was 100% free from organic, sustainable materials. I got the pine needles from a friend. The rocks I've been collecting for years from various places, including my own property. The wooden border is made out of a tree that's down on my property, and it's not a rotten tree. It was actually taken down in a storm. I don't know if lightning hit it or what the deal was, but anyway, free wood. So I decided to cut it. I believe I used 4.5 feet lengths, and then I broke the line up with some rocks in between each length. That really helps with when you're using long limbs. They can get kind of wonky, and it just makes the line of the border look kind of goofy. So I thought I'd break it up like this, and I think it looks pretty good. So what do you think? Do you like this? Is this something that you would do? What types of materials do you use in your gardens? I'm always looking for new ideas because I'm always working on something around here. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be fantastic if you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you have the best day possible.